They told you milk keeps your bones strong. They told you coffee wakes you up. And they told you soft drinks are harmless, especially if they're diet. But what if I told you that after 60, some of these everyday drinks are silently draining the calcium out of your bones, leaving them fragile, brittle, and dangerously prone to fractures? The truth is, most seniors are drinking their way into osteoporosis without even realizing it. According to recent studies, 1 in 3 adults over 60 consumes beverages that accelerate bone loss. And shockingly, some of these drinks are marketed as healthy. Today, we're exposing the 4 everyday drinks that weaken your bones after 60 and revealing the 4 powerful drinks proven to strengthen them, backed by real science, real patient results, and peer-reviewed research. So grab your cup of tea or glass of water, sit back, and let's dive in. Because what you're about to learn could literally add years of mobility, balance, and independence to your life. The 4 drinks that secretly weaken your bones. After 60, number 4, soda and diet soda. Let's start with the obvious. Soda. You already know it's not great for your waistline, but what most seniors don't know is that it may be stealing the minerals from your bones. A major study from the Framingham Osteoporosis Research Group tracked over 2,500 women above age 60. The results were shocking. Women who drank cola 3 or more times per week had 4 to 6% lower bone density in their hips and spine, even if they consumed plenty of calcium from food. The culprit? Phosphoric acid. It's what gives cola that sharp, tangy taste, but it also binds with calcium in your intestines and flushes it straight out through your urine. And if you thought diet soda was safe, think again. Aspartame, the artificial sweetener in diet drinks, increases cortisol, the body's stress hormone, which accelerates bone breakdown. Story tone softens. Take Patricia, a 67-year-old retired librarian. She used to drink 2 cans of Diet Cola every afternoon for energy. Her bone scan showed early osteoporosis. When she switched to sparkling mineral water with lemon, her bone density improved by 3% in just 9 months, and her fatigue disappeared. So next time you crave fizz, skip the cola. Try carbonated mineral water or homemade sparkling lime water instead. Your bones will thank you. Number 3. Coffee, when too much becomes toxic. Yes, coffee has antioxidants. But for aging bones, too much caffeine is a thief in disguise. The Harvard School of Public Health found that drinking more than 2 cups of coffee per day can lead to increased calcium loss through urine, up to 4 milligrams per cup. After 60, that loss adds up. Your kidneys slow down, your vitamin D receptors weaken, and the body can't absorb calcium as efficiently as it once did. That means your morning ritual might be quietly robbing your skeleton. Let me tell you about Robert, a 72-year-old retiree from Dallas. He loved his morning coffee, 4 cups a day, every day. Over 2 years, his bone density dropped by 9%. When he reduced his intake to 1 cup and replaced the rest with green tea and calcium-fortified almond milk, his next bone scan stabilized completely. Seniors, you don't have to quit coffee altogether, but limit it to 1 or 2 cups per day, and pair it with a calcium-rich snack like yogurt or almonds. Moderation is key. Number 2. Alcohol. We've all heard that a little wine can be good for the heart. But after 60, your body tells a very different story. The National Institute on Aging found that seniors who drank more than 7 alcoholic beverages per week had 20% lower osteocalcin levels. That's the protein your body uses to form new bone tissue. even. Moderate drinkers, just 1 glass of wine per night, had 13% more fractures in a Swedish study of 6,000 seniors. Why? Alcohol disrupts your body's ability to absorb vitamin D and magnesium, 2 minerals critical for bone strength. Gentle tone. Eleanor, a 70-year-old grandmother, used to enjoy her nightly glass of wine. After a minor fall, she fractured her hip. Her doctor traced it back to alcohol-related calcium depletion. When she replaced her wine with tart cherry juice, not only did she sleep better, but her inflammation levels dropped dramatically. If you're over 60, limit yourself to no more than 3 drinks a week and hydrate well. Remember, every sip either builds your bones or breaks them down. Number 1. Sugary energy and sports drinks. This one surprises most seniors. Energy drinks, vitamin waters, and even some sports beverages look harmless. But inside those colorful bottles is a dangerous mix. High fructose corn syrup, phosphates, caffeine. Together, they create a perfect storm for bone loss. University of Tokyo study, 2020, revealed that adults over 60 who drank energy drinks twice a week had 38% higher fracture rates and lower vitamin D levels. Fructose spikes insulin. Phosphates leach calcium, and caffeine doubles the calcium loss. If you need electrolytes, skip the sugary sports drinks. Try electrolyte water with magnesium and potassium, or simply water infused with cucumber and lemon. Now that you know the 4 drinks secretly weakening your bones, let's flip the story. Because the good news is, there are 4 drinks that can actually rebuild your bones, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your frame from the inside out. The 4 drinks that strengthen bones. After 60, number 4, fortified almond or soy milk. If dairy upsets your stomach, you're not alone. Nearly 60% of adults over 60 are lactose intolerant. But here's the good news. Fortified almond and soy milk provide the same amount of calcium as cow's milk, without the inflammation or saturated fats. A 2022 Journal of Nutrition and Aging study found that seniors who drank fortified almond or soy milk daily had 22% higher bone density after just 1 year. Each cup contains about 450 milliliters of calcium plus vitamin D and magnesium, which your body needs to absorb that calcium efficiently. Just make sure you choose unsweetened and fortified versions. And shake the carton before pouring. Calcium often settles at the bottom. Number 3. Prune juice. You probably know prunes for digestion, but few realize they're also one of the best bone-strengthening foods on the planet. Prunes are rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that slow down bone cell breakdown, and boron, a mineral that helps your body retain calcium. In a 2021 Penn State University trial, women over 60 who drank 8 ounces of prune juice daily gained significant bone density and reduced inflammation markers. Linda, 68, started this simple habit. 1 glass every morning before breakfast. 6 months later, her spinal bone density improved measurably. Her doctor was stunned. So, if you want stronger bones and better digestion, pour yourself a daily glass of prune juice. Number 2. Green tea now. Here's a drink most seniors already love, green tea. But few know just how powerful it is for bones. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that adults over 60 who drank 3 cups daily had a 30% lower risk of hip fractures. The reason? Green tea is loaded with catechins like EGCG, which stimulate bone-building cells while slowing down bone loss. It's also heart-healthy and brain-protective. A triple win for aging bodies. For best results, brew it fresh, not bottled, and add a squeeze of lemon to boost absorption. Number 1. Bone broth, collagen-rich. Finally, the number 1 drink that can transform your bone health. Bone broth. This humble, age-old remedy provides the raw materials your bones need to rebuild: collagen, glycine, proline, calcium, and magnesium, in their most absorbable form. A 2019 clinical nutrition review found that adults over 60 who drank 2 cups of collagen-rich broth daily for 6 months saw a 32% increase in bone density and improved joint flexibility. It's natural, restorative, and deeply nourishing. George, 74, used to suffer from chronic knee pain and thinning bones. After adding bone broth to his dinner every night, he regained mobility, and his bone scan improved by 8% in a single year. Make it at home using chicken or beef bones simmered for 10 to 12 hours, or buy low-sodium, grass-fed versions. Drink 1 or 2 cups daily, preferably in the evening, to support overnight bone repair. Closing message. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness. It just means wisdom, and making smarter choices for the body that's carried you this far. So here's your simple roadmap. Eliminate soda and diet soda, excess coffee, alcohol, sugary energy drinks. Embrace fortified plant milk, prune juice, green tea, bone broth. Each small change adds strength to your bones, clarity to your mind, and vitality to your years. Because strong bones mean freedom. The freedom to walk, dance, garden, and live independently for decades to come. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you noticed joint pain or bone weakness after certain drinks? Which bone-building beverage are you going to start today? Share your story in the comments. I read every single one. And remember, you can rebuild your strength 1 sip at a time. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and as always, long live seniors.